What you do after a breakup can either heal you or emotionally destroy you for months, sometimes years. Most people don't break down because of the breakup itself. They break down because of the mistakes they make afterward. Today, we're going to talk about what not to do after a breakup, based on real psychological research and human behavior, especially common in modern American dating culture. Listen carefully, because one wrong move can keep you stuck far longer than necessary. 1. Don't chase closure from your ex. One of the biggest psychological traps after a breakup is the need for closure. You replay conversations, you send long messages, you ask, why did you change? Was it ever real? Here's the truth psychology teaches us. Closure doesn't come from them, it comes from acceptance. When you chase explanations, your brain stays emotionally attached. Dopamine spikes every time you see their name or get a reply. This is the same reward cycle seen in addiction. Every message resets your healing clock. No response hurts. A response hurts even more. So don't chase closure, create it. 2. Don't stalk them on social media. This one feels harmless, but it's deadly to your mental health. You check their Instagram, their stories, their likes, their new followers. Psychologically, this does one thing. It keeps your brain in constant comparison mode. You start asking, are they happier without me? Did I mean anything? Why do they look fine while I'm falling apart? Social media shows highlights, not reality, but your brain doesn't know that. Each scroll reopens the emotional wound. Each image reinforces loss. If you want peace, mute, unfollow, or block, not out of anger, but out of self-respect. 3. Don't rush into a rebound relationship. Many people jump into a new relationship to escape pain. Psychology calls this emotional avoidance. A rebound doesn't heal the wound, it distracts you from it. Unprocessed grief leaks into the next relationship as emotional distance, trust issues, comparison, fear of abandonment. You're not moving on, you're carrying unfinished emotions into someone else's life. Healing requires space. Loneliness is uncomfortable, but necessary. Sit with it, understand it, grow through it. 4. Don't romanticize the past. After a breakup, the brain selectively remembers the good moments, the laughs, the trips, the late-night talks. This is called memory bias. Your mind edits out the disrespect, the emotional neglect, the constant anxiety. You fall in love with a version of the relationship that never fully existed. Missing someone doesn't mean